Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make double chocolate peanut butter chip cookies. It is a chocolate cookie with milk chocolate chips and peanut butter chips. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and then set it aside for now. And then in a larger bowl, add in the softened butter, shortening, brown sugar, white sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer for about a minute on high speed. Then add in the eggs, egg yolk, vanilla extract, and melted semi-sweet chocolate. And beat them in until they're well combined. Then add in the dry ingredients, milk chocolate chips, and peanut butter chips, and mix them in until they're combined. Then scoop it onto an ungreased baking sheet, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches. And then bake them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. And then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make double chocolate peanut butter chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.